Please import your drawing and add another layer. Hide the drawing layer. Go to Selection tab and use Bucket tool to fill the canvas with black. Just tap the canvas to fill it. And hide the drawing layer. Adjust the opacity of layer to 40 to 50%. Tap the camera icon to import the Rasenganpunkt. You can find it in your gallery. To download the Rasenganpunkt, go to description box and click the link below. Place it here. Go to blending mode and set it to lighter color. Tap this to move. Rotate the layer. Tap this and tap the duplicate layer to have one more Rasengan. Tap this to move. Rotate the layer. Add another layer for Rasengan Glow and set it to add. Pick color blue for Rasengan Glow. Pick airbrush normal to make it glow. Adjust the sizes of brush and apply it to the Rasengan to make it glow. For lightings, use pen fade and pick color blue. Make sure to enable the force fade. Add another layer for lightings and set it to add. Now, start applying the lightning to some parts of Minato. After that, let's proceed on Sparkles effect. Use dip pen hard to draw it. Use color white or light blue. Add another layer for sparkles and set it to add. Draw it like this with the random little sizes. When you're finished, let's make it glow. Go to Filter tab, go to Style, go to Glowart. Tap the color and pick color blue. Adjust the radius. Add another layer, set it to add. Pick color white and paint it to Minato eyes. Use blur tool, apply it to the sides of his eyes to have smooth transition. Add another layer and set it to add. Use blue or yellow color on eyes glow. Use airbrush normal to have glowing eyes effects. If you don't like the color, you can change it on filter tool. Adjust color and tap hue, saturation, lightness. Adjust the hue to change the color. Pick stylish pen and go to its settings and lower the thickness of start. We will use it to draw the line thing on his eyes. Use pen fade to draw the yellow lightings on some parts of his hair and face. Add another layer for the lightings of his nose and set it to add after you draw it. Lower the layer opacity. And we're done. These are the layers with names. You can save it now. I hope it helps you. See you on next video.